What's up, everybody? Here we go again, tinkering with the crawlers. This time, the Ridge Runner. We did servos, front and rear, 40 kg. Cut the body, added the cage. Now, we want to put some lights on it, and probably gonna go right through this light and that light and do headlights. And then in the rear, since we don't really have anything to work with, thinking about going right through there and right through there and doing the tail lights right here. And if it doesn't look good, I will probably put them on the cage right out here, maybe back here. I'm not sure yet, but right now we're looking at going through here. And in the front with these Apex, 2 whites, 2 reds. Also, the next project after the lights, the linkage here, this gets caught up everywhere, and I'm going to put the Everest 10 arms. They have an angle to them, and it'll probably give it more clearance. I saw somebody on YouTube University, and it looked really good, and it got a lot more ground clearance. So those are the next 2 projects, but right now we're gonna do the lights. Moment of truth to see if they work. And they do. Whites, reds. Now to run them up in here.